Hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a LEGO creation in under 3 minutes. And autumn is coming really quickly, so today for our 3-minute mini build we're going to be building these beach loungers so we can still catch a little bit of summer sun before it goes away completely. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off by making one beach bed, and for that we'll need a 2x3 standard base plate and a 2x2 standard base plate. I'm using this bright yellow orange because that will be the color scheme for our lounger. Now we need a clip base plate and a handle base plate, and we're going to stick them together like so and connect them between the two base plates. We're going to fill in a little bit of white, so we're going to be using a 2x2 base plate and a 1x2 base plate over here in these spaces. And on one side we are going to attach this leg connector panel piece over here so we can keep anybody's feet nice and firmly into the bed. And we're going to use arrangement of tiles, an assortment of tiles like this yellow one and this orange one. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a nice colourful stripy kind of color scheme. I'm using you can use any colors you like. I'm making a bed down to the similar range of colors, and there we have one lounger. Now we're going to make another one, so we're going to be following the exact same way, just with different colors. Got 2x3 base plate and a 2x2 base plate, a handle base plate and a clip base plate together like so, and stick them together because they like to be together. A 1x2 base plate on this side and a 2x2 base plate on this side in white again. Another one of those leg connector panel pieces over here on this side, and more tiles to add a little bit of color. I'm using this assortment of pink and dark pink like that. Now we're going to put that aside because we're going to make the actual beach. So we're going to be using a 6x6 standard base plate in this kind of creamy tan kind of version. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a little table. So we're going to get a jumper plate, a 1x2 jumper plate in purple. I'm going to stick these tubular pieces in blue underneath. And what we're going to do is we're going to stick the tubular pieces in the center sections of the base plate like this. And now we're going to bring back our loungers. So we're going to stick the 2x3 base plates into the sand like this and like this. And because this is a holiday scheme, I'm just going to get a nice little printed tile as a postcard, stick it down like so, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our beach loungers are complete, and you can obviously expand the design any way you like. You can make longer beds, shorter beds, more flexible beds. These ones work on the hinge, so you can make it really straight up like this for someone sitting, or really down like this to, lie down a lot in the sunshine. And I've got Stephanie over here in her beach outfit. She's gonna stick into this like so, just relax like this. And I've just come across something. Hang on, I've got the mechanic, and maybe he wants to have a go as well. Let's see if it works. Oh, you see, it works with minifigures as well. Just lie down, hands like this, and enjoying the sunshine. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!